Multiple different size monkey wrenches. Oh, are you kidding me? Good afternoon, everybody. Today's video is an exciting one. I've been thinking about this one for a while. Today is the tool showcase. Might have to split it into parts because there's a lot of tools to look at. I wanted to start with the truck, which doesn't have as many, but still just as important. You know, I haven't used these kinds of jacks much, but I imagine for a big truck like this, I'll need this. So, big aluminum pipe wrench. That'll do about everything I ever need. Generic oil that came with it. Carb choke cleaner. More carb choke cleaner. Got a big gigantic punch/crowbar in here. You never know when you'll need that. Anyone who's watched my speed sensor video, this is from that. Kept that because I think it technically still works. Loctite. Used to lock bolts in place when they might come loose from vibration. I forget what you call these. Some mechanics is really going to be slapping his face for this one. I know they're important, I know they're good, I know they're helpful, but I can't for the life of me remember what these are called. Sizes from 10 to 17, 18, 19. Yeah, it's a really nice kit. Got a Craftsman toolbox in here. Let me pull it out. This is the toolbox for the truck. Now, this isn't as extensive as my car is yet, because my car still hosts most of my tools. That's my daily driver. But some type of crazy level gauge. High temperature of gasket maker, very important. Multiple different size monkey wrenches. Or whatever the heck they call these. Gigantic channel locks of doom. Another monkey wrench. Staple gun. Another monkey wrench. I believe this is a pipe cutter right here. And the strangest little flathead ratcheting screwdriver you've ever seen. Look at this little thing. Get this to focus. What in the hell is this? That is unique. Just a bunch of other small stuff. No big deal. Moving on. I've got a basic siphon kit, because you never know. From a friend of a friend, I got a bunch of tools that would work on a mill machine that I don't have. But if I ever have, these would be amazing. Just a bunch of different stuff like this. Lots of it, all types of crazy, cool attachments that I won't know how to use now, but hopefully will come into something in the future. Think that about does it for the tour of the truck's tools. Like I said, not too much. Now this is where the real treasure is. All coming from the trunk of my car. Inside of the trunk is where we'll go ahead and start first. Keep a comfortable pad for laying down on dirt without getting my back destroyed. Keep a pry bar, giant pry bar, different length cheater bars, lots of different length cheater bars. Breaker bar of death. This thing is so great for taking off tires. Once the winter smashes the Midwest again, got an emergency shovel if I get stuck. Oh man, we all know it's coming. Just give it time, it'll be back. 2 jack stands. I believe they call these trolley jacks. Question mark, exclamation point. Set of Stanley wrenches back there. WD-40. All mechanics need WD-40. Basic bungee cord kit. Zip ties for days. Starting fluid, you never know. Extra transmission fluid, you never know. It's good to keep this stuff on hand. PB blaster. Taking away rust, lubricating parts, etc. JB Weld, always helpful for connecting things and, connecting stuff together, essentially. Maybe plugging non-high pressure holes. First aid kit. I didn't originally have this. Got it last week from my grandmother. Very cool. Good to have on hand if I'm ever on the go and mess myself up pretty good. Orange cleaner. And here I got flashlights galore. Tire pressure gauge. Very important, that one is. And here I got a portable inflatable tire pump. Inflatable. No, just a portable tire pump. And the cords are inside of there. No need to take that out. It's a tire pump. That's what it does. And big old jumper cables. Cleaning wipes that hit grease off real good. Electric cleaner, because it's important. If your electronic connectors, if your harness connectors are dirty, you want those clean. You need to keep those clean. Otherwise, you'll get issues. I got a couple of these. They actually collect the moisture, keep it away from your tools. I'm told that you can get stuff like this at stores, but thankfully got mine from the workplace because they came in packages and the company doesn't use them, so they're gonna throw them away. Just give them to me. Come in handy in my trunk. Nitrile glove pack, useful for changing oil, all types of other fluids. Definitely use those a couple times. Let's move out this trunk.